Hi, welcome back. Here, I'm going to show you the power settings for the AI Monogram Generator tool, one of my favorite tools. To get started, let's open the AI Monogram Generator tool. Here, we are presented with two fun ways to generate your monogram. We have Design My Own and Match Any Style. We're going to go through both of them in detail. But for now, let's start with the first one. We'll design one from scratch. Here, we are presented with this quick form to tell the AI model how we want our monogram. Let's start with the main text, Ashley Sweet 16. This is the text that will be the center of attention. We then select the main color. Let's write gold or metallic gold. Now, let's create some contrast by adding a second color. I think purple will be suitable for what I have in mind. Because it is a Sweet 16 event, I'll ask the model to include a crown for the Sweet 16. They love that. For the decorative elements, these are optional, but if used right, they can really increase the look of your final monogram or logo. I can visualize some beautiful roses, so I'll write realistic purple roses. Any other elements? Yeah, let's add some butterflies with gold accents. For design style, I'll choose majestic quinceañera. This is a good time to tell you that you can write your instructions in your own language. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. Lastly, CreativeBooth introduced a way for us to select the size of the monogram. This is basically how wide do you want the design to be. I think a good average size of 4:3 aspect ratio will be perfect for most cases. And that's all. Now we just click Generate and wait while our monogram is generated with perfect transparency, so we can use it for anything. You can add it to a photo booth template or use it to project it on a wall during the event. Or you can now transform it into a video loop monogram. More on that on another tutorial. Well, here it is, our beautiful monogram just the way we wanted. Now, the second way you can generate a monogram is by matching an image. This is perhaps the easiest way. You can use an invitation or an image you found online that you liked, or even a pre-existing monogram that you like, but you just want to change the name. Let's say I have an invitation that was provided by your client, and you want to match the style as close as possible. Well, this is the tool for that. We just upload that invitation and fill out the necessary information for the monogram. In this case, we'll write down Charles Smith as the prominent text. The secondary text is optional, and it is used if you want a smaller text below the main one. Now, if you look closer, you'll see that the invitation has this nice graduation cap and the diploma. I want to make sure the AI will keep that. To do this, you open the Advanced Options panel, activate Special Instructions, and write down the instruction to keep the graduation hat and the diploma as part of the monogram. Then select the aspect ratio you want and click Generate Monogram. It's that easy. We just wait for the task to be completed and wait for our masterpiece. Look how nice our monogram is. The model kept the same style and followed the instructions we requested. And that's it. Remember, for all users with unlimited accounts, if you don't like the monogram, try again. Tweak it even more until you are happy with the results. Thank you for watching.